Okay, it's Independence Day and we are on a cleanliness drive. So over to Avinash.
Yeah, this is the stormwater drain. Actually, when it rains and the water comes in here, this little thing here, this little mechanical filter here, accumulates all the muck on one side and lets the water go in, and the water goes into that recharge well there. But what's interesting here is, apart from the water going into the recharge well, what happens to all this muck? You can see that there's a lot of leaf matter, there's a lot of plastics, we generally tend to use our stormwater drains as though they are garbage bins, whereas they're actually meant to take stormwater. So what one could be doing is, with this kind of a mechanical filter where all this accumulates, if one puts in that little effort to then take this and clean it, you clean the stormwater drain, you allow the water to flow well, you can also divert the water to a well inside your house. But apart from that, if we come here, what has been done here is all that muck is put on one side, and then you separate out the plastics and the organic matter. If you see our roads, many of them are tree lined, so there's a lot of leaf fall, and that leafy matter, the flower fall, is actually useful organic matter that can go into, as compost for plants. So here what is done is that muck is taken, put here, the plastics are separated, and the organic matter is allowed to compost a little more, which can then be used for the plants. And here you can see, what we are as a civilization. Our waste talks a lot about it. You can see plastic, you can see Parle biscuits, you can see disposable plastic cups, a little waste toy, some child has outgrown its toy, an asthma healing thing. The question is, why is all of this going into our stormwater drains? Why don't we understand that our stormwater drains is meant to carry the stormwater? So, something to think about.